A small tour of the ripe or the dead fruits that's hanging on the tree. Here you can see this is a type known in Arabic known as Dukhaimi. Somebody told me this is Dukhaimi type of dates that's quite long and is conical in the shape. You can see the amount of some of the ripe dates in between. Actually, according to experts, they classify it into 4 stages based on the ripening. Some of them is known as Kimri, the first stage, then known as Rutab, the third stage, and fourth stage is Tamar, the completely ripe one, and intermediate one or the second one is known as Khalal. So if you look here, that most of them are in the first or the second stages. That's we can say in the Kimri stage, the partially ripe, some amount of sugar, yellow in color, can be considered as Khalal or Rutab. Once you take it out from these trees, it become completely ripe, full of sugars, and tannin component get decreased, and the skin becoming soft and wrinkles appear. That's the last stage that is sold in the market, known as Tamar. This is a very common variety of date palm that's present in most of the central Saudi Arabia. It's very sweet. Someday I will share with you the completely ripe one. These are known as Sukri. Sukri in fact means, you can see the round color of Sukris. Sukris in fact means derived from a sugar or shakari. That's because of its sweet content. High amount of sugar is present, and the ripe one are really very delicious. But now we will move to some other trees on the other side. They also have some other varieties. You can see the sun is behind the date palm trees, appearing like a sharp shining dot, and here I'm reaching to the other one. This variety, I'm not very well aware about it. Here I can focus it a little bit. This one, it's known as Birhi. It's also a little bit long in a shape and quite delicious type of dates. This is known as, in the local Arabic language, as a Birhi variety. And you can see how beautiful and majestic they are looking, like hanging on this tree in a bunch. Now let's move to the other subtype again. This same one like the first I show you in the first one. It's long conical dates. Now this is again a tree of a Sukri variety. That's the most common variety in central Saudi Arabia. It's you can identify it by its shape, usually round. When it gets ripe or in a fourth stage of Tamar, they are very sweet, and in the Tamar stage you can see it's dark brown in color and full of sweet. Usually this is added with the Arabic coffee or a kava with a sort of a sauces. This is a common evening meals among the Arabic gatherings, or a sign of hospitality. It is served with a kava. Now again going to the last one. This is very big one. You see, this is same as we saw here, and on the first video, or the first at the start of the clip, this is same Dukhail or Dukhail variety. You can see the huge bunch. The wind, it's a little bit shaking at different stages of ripening, but it's appearing really fabulous and giving a wonderful look. So hope I'm able to show you some of the varieties or common varieties of the date palm, Birhi, Dukhail, and Sukri, that is quite common in central Saudi Arabia.